Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, your girl Marvelous. Welcome to Marvelous View. If this is your first time, you are welcome. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your support. This video is all about my first trip to Abuja. I've never been to Abuja, so today I'll be going to Abuja. Today is 1st of June 2025. Today is Sunday, so I got my dream job. Wow, I got my dream job. So I have an induction that will start tomorrow, Monday 2nd. So today I'm getting prepared to go on a trip to Abuja. Yeah, I'm going to fly. I'm flying with Value Jet Airline. So guys, I'm going to carry you guys along. Okay. Now I want to start packing my things because I've not started packing at all. You can see my hair. I just woke up. So I think I need to document this. So let me quickly do a video. So guys, let's start packing. I'm going to spend 4 days. The induction is actually, I'm spending 5 days there. This induction is actually 4 days, Monday to Thursday. So I'll be leaving Lagos today and I'll be coming back from Abuja on Friday. So I want to start packing. First of all, I pack my documents because we're supposed to come with our original documents. So this is the first thing I'm taking into my suitcase because it's very important. I don't want to hear that I forget. So this goes. So I need to carry different dress. Guys, my flight is 5:30 p.m. and this is about 3:45 p.m. so I'm getting ready to go to airport. From my location to the airport is about 20 to 30 minutes drive. So I'm done with my makeup, my outfit check. So now I'm about to wear my earring and wear other things, my wig and other things. So this job is what I've been dreaming of. I just thank God. It's a grateful thing and I'm so happy. I thank God because I've been on it since last year. So when I got the message to come for induction and all that, I was so happy. So it's God doing and it's marvelous in our sight. I'm so grateful and I'm happy. So it's me. Let me put my prayer. Gonna wear my wig. We're gonna paint a bridge. How do you see my look? Check my outfit. Check. This two-piece made by me. Yeah, I love this style. So cute. I made this two-piece. So I'm ready. So see this cute baby, Lagos babe that is going to Abuja. Please guys, don't forget to like this video, like and put down your comment section what they used. Your comment section, put it down. Subscribe if you are new. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always turning out. Thank you for your support always. Love you. I love this. Check this out, right? I love the trouser. My extension.
We are second bus. I'm just second bus.
Guys, we are here in Abuja. This is Abuja Airport. International Abuja. So welcome to my baby. Hi, hi, welcome to Abuja. So we are waiting for our bags. We are actually waiting for our bags. So guys, we are out of the airport going to our car. We have special car that is picking us. I'm so excited. Go pocket. Taloni go. I really enjoy the flight. Value Jet airline. So peaceful, cool. The customer service is top notch. So if you are coming to Abuja, you can use it, okay? Hello baby, look at me. Say hi to my channel. Hi. This is Abuja City. Welcome to Abuja. Wow, this is beautiful. As I said earlier, this is my first trip. My first time in Abuja, and we have never been to Abuja before. This is my first time. Now we're in the car going to where we are going to lodge. So guys, keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments. Yeah, so guys, I'm finally here in Abuja, and I just got to where I'm lodging. This is my cousin's place in Abuja. I have a cousin here in Abuja, so we just got here. You know, the cab that picked us, he didn't know the place, so we spent about 2 hours from airport down to this place. It was so annoying because from Lagos to Abuja we only spent 1 hour. So finally I'm here. I'm tired, so I want to go and shower, eat, and relax. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Okay, if you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and on your notification bell. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for coming back, for supporting me always. I really love you. So I'm going to shower. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm here in Abuja. Yeah, so I need to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow the program starts by, the induction is starting by 8 a.m. on dot, and we are told to get there by 7:30. Though I don't know how far this place I am to the location yet, but I think it's about 30 to 40 minutes. But I'm sure I'll be able to get there. We have to wake up early to get dressed and start going. All right, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you.